Annyeong! Welcome. Now, who here likes vegetables?
Excuse me? Mm-mm.
No one? No one really? Lucky for you, today I have prepared a perfect recipe for you that you can enjoy with your kids at home with the vegetables cooked beneath the mouth-watering beef rolls. It's so colorful, so the dish is perfect for barbecue parties at home. And the making is pretty easy. Let's first look at the ingredients for 2 servings. We need 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of plum extract. Korean plum extract is hard to find in the States, so I will leave a link on the description box where you can get one. And 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 50 grams of sweet rice flour, half a yellow bell peppers and half a red bell peppers, and half an onion. We also need 1 tablespoon of squeezed lime, 1 tablespoon of wine, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and a little bit of pepper as well. And we also need 1 teaspoon of Korean hot mustard called gyoza. Now, I know this is also hard to find in the States, so I have left a link on the description box where you can get one. And we need some decorative vegetables, and most importantly, 300 grams of shaved beef. The shaved beef are just perfect for rolling. So we first prepare the beef by rinsing away the blood and tapping it with some towels. This way you can get rid of the unpleasant smell of the beef. Now let's put them in a sauce. Put 1 tablespoon of each mirin and wine. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add some pepper and marinate the beef in the sauce. Prepare 1/2 of each red and yellow bell peppers. Mince 1/2 of the onion as well. I use the onion as it is, but you can also reduce its pungency by soaking it in cold water. Next, when you use glutinous rice flour, you mix it with water when you're making rice cake. But when you are frying it like we are today, you leave it dry. Dress up the marinated beef with the dry flour, both sides of it. Next, saute the coated beef in corn oil. Now let's wait for the beef to cool off because when you roll up the beef when it's still hot, the veggies inside will wilt. So while you wait, you can make the sauce. Finally, we'll roll up the beef with vegetables inside it. Roll it and roll it. Now, place them nicely on the plate. Voila! See you next time. Annyeong!